Hello, tea lovers! Welcome back to our channel, the hotspot for brewing up amazing stories about your favorite beverages. Today, we're stepping into history with Twinings. Twinings, the iconic British tea brand that's been delighting our taste buds for centuries. But do you know the whole story steeped behind your cup of Earl Grey? Put the kettle on and get ready for 10 unbelievable facts you didn't know about Twinings. Fact number 1. Twinings, a brand synonymous with tea, was founded in London over 300 years ago by Thomas Twining. Since then, the company has remained a beloved institution in the tea-making world, known for its dedication to quality and its rich history. Twinings' commitment to the art of tea has remained steadfast over the centuries as it continues to innovate and create new blends while staying true to its roots. For tea lovers around the world, a cup of Twinings is a journey through time and tradition, taking them back to an era when tea was first making its mark on the world. Fact number 2. For tea enthusiasts, Twinings is a name that needs no introduction. The London-based company has been a leader in the tea industry for over 300 years, making it the oldest continuously operating tea company in the world. What's fascinating is that the company has been operating out of the same location on London Strand since it opened in 1706. Throughout its rich history, Twinings has been renowned for its exceptional blends and a strong commitment to quality. Its legacy, which dates back to the early 18th century, is one that any tea lover can appreciate. Fact number 3. Tea is a beloved beverage in the United Kingdom, with a rich history and cultural significance. However, up until 1930, the preparation of tea was a time-consuming and often messy process. That was until Twinings, a well-known tea company, introduced tea bags to the UK. This innovation revolutionized the way Britons consume tea, making it more convenient and accessible than ever before. Although the idea of tea bags seems commonplace today, it was a groundbreaking concept at the time. Thanks to Twinings' forward-thinking approach, the ritual of drinking tea drastically changed, paving the way for other tea brands to follow suit. Fact number 4. Did you know that the Queen herself enjoys a cup of Twinings tea? It's true. Twinings have held a royal warrant from Queen Victoria and every British monarch since 1837. This is an honor reserved for only the most esteemed and trusted brands, and it is a testament to the quality of Twinings tea. Whether you are sipping on Earl Grey or English breakfast, you can feel confident that you are enjoying a cup of tea fit for a queen. So the next time you brew a cup of Twinings, you can raise your pinky with pride knowing that you are drinking the same tea favored by royalty. Fact number 5. For tea lovers, the world of Twinings is a paradise of flavors and aromas. With a staggering selection of over 200 blends of tea, there's always a perfect brew for every mood. Whether you prefer classic black tea, soothing herbal blends, or exotic fruit infusions, Twinings has got you covered. Each blend is masterfully crafted using only the finest ingredients, ensuring that every sip is a delightful experience. So sit back, relax, and savor the amazing variety of Twinings tea. There's no better way to lift your spirits. We're halfway through our tea tasting journey. If you're enjoying this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tea terrific facts. Now, let's get back to it. Fact number 6. Twinings' logo has certainly withstood the test of time. Being the world's oldest continually used company logo means that it has remained relevant for over 230 years. Created in 1787, it is incredible to think about all the changes that have taken place since then, and yet the Twinings logo has remained a constant. Not only is it a testament to the company's longevity, but it is also a tribute to the simple yet effective design that has appealed to generations of tea drinkers. The iconic Twinings logo continues to be a beloved symbol of quality, tradition, and exceptional tea. Fact number 7. Twinings Earl Grey blend is a well-known tea that has been around for nearly 2 centuries. But did you know that it was originally crafted for a specific person? In the 1830s, Prime Minister Charles Grey was having trouble finding a tea that he could enjoy at his home due to the water quality. That's when Twinings stepped in to create a unique blend that would suit the water. The Earl Grey blend quickly became a favorite and is now enjoyed all over the world. It's fascinating to think about how a simple problem-solving effort turned into such a beloved and iconic tea. Fact number 8. When it comes to sourcing the highest quality teas from all over the world, Twinings knows its stuff. With a wide range of tea blends, ranging from classic green tea to more exotic flavors like mango and passion fruit, Twinings goes the extra mile by sourcing its teas from diverse countries like China, India, Sri Lanka, and Kenya. Whether you prefer a cup of tea that's bold and earthy or light and floral, Twinings' diverse selection ensures that there's something for everyone's taste buds. So the next time you sip on a cup of Twinings tea, know that you're indulging in a unique blend of flavors that's traveled the world to get to you. Fact number 9. For those who consider themselves true tea lovers, there's no doubt that learning how to properly taste tea is a must. Fortunately, Twinings offers a Tea Tasters Academy where you can learn the art of tea tasting. With courses designed for everyone from novice tea drinkers to experienced connoisseurs, you'll discover the complexities and nuances of each blend. From understanding the different types of tea and how they're made, to the importance of temperature and steep time, attending the Tea Tasters Academy will give you a newfound respect for the world's second most popular drink. So whether you want to enhance your appreciation for tea or become a certified tea sommelier, the Twinings Tea Tasters Academy is the perfect place to start your journey. Fact number 10. For tea lovers, a visit to the Twinings shop in London is an absolute must. Not only can you purchase some of the world's finest teas, but there's also a museum with stunning exhibits of tea caddies and boxes from centuries ago. It's fascinating to see the evolution of the tea container, from simple wooden boxes to intricate porcelain designs. As you wander through the museum, you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time and gained a newfound appreciation for the art of tea storage. The Twinings Museum is a true hidden gem in London. And there you have it, 10 unbelievable facts about Twinings. From the royal courts of England to your teacup, Twinings has been steeping its legacy for centuries. So next time you're enjoying a cup of Twinings, remember the incredible journey that brought this historic brew from the Strand in London to your cozy tea time. That's all we have for today, tea aficionados. If you enjoyed this journey through Twinings' rich history, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow tea enthusiasts. And remember, keep brewing and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future tea-infused videos. We'll see you in the next video.